Rachulung Gangmei, son of Ngai Gong Pao and Chuntui Liu Gangmei, is a native of Sempang village in Tamenglong district, Manipur. Presently, his family is staying at a rented house in Tamenglong district headquarters. Even as Rachulung Gangmei has not taken proper training or held any certificates in the field of handicraft, he is an expert in the field. His work shows his fine ideas. His products were exhibited in some district-level fairs, but it went unnoticed by the people in other parts of the state.
So I school drop sutanga kuma atong merana mitong self-interest karena kuma tan thao dong the ma I train suma khe kuma rana kuma kete na tan na kuma earn sama dong the apa ma rena thu sian he rinra mai bjang rana school ni kuma ta kai ngam khe kuma a he kuma tan na he rana gang no puni ni na kuma ni tan mam dong the ki ma rinra me tumi kyo akhang khulai he ni kiti na kha wong tang sam khe kum bjang rana a kiti na kha he tan ma kang ni tin an jang the kuma ka gan good the kuma rinra manim bu the ma tan dong the kuma kiti tin na kha
In an exclusive interview with the Tom TV News, he said that he used only local and self-made equipment in bringing out his beautiful handicraft products. He also aspired to have modern equipment so that he can be more efficient. He also said that he is ready to work with any company or organization that is willing to hire him in near future. He drew the attention of the department concerned for any kind of support in sustaining his business which will support his family.
Any company, government, private, ataka na na kum kawang buta ani ma tan we talon we kum akhang tui don ram khasani ataw ma arana ma an subject rana kum me zu nai the ma he tong lam kho khulai tong khalo ni mai ram the kum kum te ho ai ka haw na bam me ma government dung bia khum puni ma the private ko puni ma company ko tano to puni kum tong nam nai the ani ka haw he te to ka haw rai me gum te gan cha ko hu thang thok ma exhibition kuma marak ka za loe ni kum kha kanai mu ka za loe tiki akhang hai khui rena tin sa gang mai la taw me tum ho kuma tan bam ti mi tho mai pa menung goi rena kuma tu bui so kuma tan bam me to tina order kan sa kuma sulauna takan magan ta Tamenglong dc rena ni talawe kuma sai mian he ni chikum 2018 go ne me Orange Festival khani kuma talo ho tuna ma tan bam dong e tawa he khui rena khang ka titin kuma ke nai me kuma sian he kuma gong phang ro.
We are here in a place called Tamenglong, Namlalong, where a man called Rachulung Gangmei has been working with his very honest efforts to bring out the products, the handicraft products, like making some pictures, the statues, or any sort of things. And the main objective why he started this project is because he comes from a very humble and a very poor background. But as a family, as a human being, he has to work hard to survive his family. And he has been working hard since many years back, but without the assistance of any financial assistance from government or from any concerned authorities till today. And if the concerned authority or any person can look after him in order to bring out the better products in his career, then he can be uplifted and one can see the wonderful products that he made out of his humble efforts. Blessing Gangmei with the camera person Gobin, Tom TV, Tamenglong, Manipur.